Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text color in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets account. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets from now. Then show the text. This text is the change color. Now select your net text is the color. Now select from, now going to the text color option, then choose color, then again another option. Now select from the text, now click for the text color option, then choose color. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.